Hey there, food lovers! If you're juggling work, family, or just a hectic life, finding a healthy dinner that's quick, delicious, and a low carb can feel impossible. But today, I'm going to show you amazing low carb dinner recipes you can whip up on busy weeknights in 30 minutes or less. From creamy garlic chicken to zesty shrimp stir fry, these recipes are packed with flavor, super simple, and will keep your energy high without the carbs dragging you down. Stick with me because blow your mind. First up, garlic butter chicken with zucchini noodles. You'll need chicken breasts, butter, garlic, Parmesan, and zucchinis. Start by searing your chicken in butter until golden brown. While that cooks, spiralize your zucchinis. These become your noodles. Next, toss your zucchini noodles in the same pan with garlic and Parmesan for 2 minutes. That's it. Serve your chicken on top.
Recipe #2 is my quick keto shrimp stir fry. Grab your shrimp, bell peppers, broccoli, and zucchini.
Heat some olive oil, toss in garlic, then add shrimp. Once pink, toss in veggies and a splash of soy sauce.
Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and you have a colorful, low-carb, protein-packed dinner in a flash.
If you love these quick and delicious low-carb dinners, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more healthy meal ideas.